Make my day, the actor said, the hotline in his hands. He wants to flex his Pershing twos and smile for his fans. He kisses Nance and goes to bed. Crazy thoughts race through his head. The tide is turning, reds are burning, piled heaps of Russian dead. What was it the actor said? He's a Bonzo king of Washington. He'll laugh and joke about anything. His big grade reruns might be fun if Hinckley used a bigger gun. If Hinckley used a bigger gun. We'll do away with lunch in school, his latest inspiration. This program is a Marxist tool. It could destroy the nation. He kisses Nance and stands up straight. Tells our country of its fate. Raise tuition, malnutrition, hungry kids who haven't ate. He wants to make our country great. He's the Bonzo king of Washington. He'll laugh and joke about anything. His B-grade reruns might be fun if Hinckley used a bigger gun. If Hinckley used a bigger gun. Bang, bang. Don't worry about the deficit. Don't ask me what I'm spending. Those liberals try to stir up shit. Their crap is never ending. He kisses Nance and signs some bill. Tries to pass it on the hill. Buy some weapons, we'll try goose-stepping. It's welfare programs we must kill. The poor slobs are our country's ills. He's the Bonzo king of Washington. He'll laugh and joke about anything. His B-grade reruns might be fun if Hinckley used a bigger gun. If Hinckley used a bigger gun.